Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter number 1 from Punjab textbook of biology, Introduction to Biology. Students, as you know, we already have discussed the definition and explanation of biology, and we already discussed the branches of biology. So today we will discuss the relationship of biology with other sciences. So, how is biology related to other science disciplines? We will discuss it in detail. Biology and physics means biophysics. Biology use instruments that works based on the principle of physics, such as microscope and X-ray. The principle of optics helps to study the human eye, which are affected by the light. स्टूडेंट्स, जितनी भी एक्सरे मशीनरीज़ हैं या माइक्रोस्कोप है जो हम अपनी बायो की लैब में यूज़ करते हैं, एक्सरे मशीन, अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन, ये सब फिज़िक्स की वजह से हैं. जब हम इन चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हैं अपनी बायोफिज़िक्स को, तो इस चीज़ को हम डिस्कस करते हैं अंडर द हेड ऑफ बायोफिज़िक्स. एंड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑप्टिक्स हेल्प्स टू स्टडी द ह्यूमन आई विच आर इफेक्टेड बाय द लाइट. इसके अलावा जब हम अपनी ह्यूमन आई के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, ह्यूमन आई को एग्ज़ामिन करते हैं, तो उसमें भी हम फिज़िक्स के रूल्स को, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑप्टिक्स जो कि फ़िज़िक्स का टॉपिक है, उसको डिस्कस करते हैं. उसकी वजह से हम ह्यूमन आई को ज़्यादा डिटेल में पढ़ सकते हैं. Biology use physical techniques such as fractionation, X-rays and chromatography which have helped us understanding the cellular and semicellular components. स्टूडेंट्स, एक्सरे, अल्ट्रासाउंड, इसके अलावा क्रोमेटोग्राफी की टेक्निक जो है जिसमें ये होता है कि कलर पिगमेंट को चेक किया जाता है और उसको एग्ज़ामिन किया जाता है, ये सब फिज़िक्स के टॉपिक्स हैं. और जब हम इनको अपने बायोलॉजी के टॉपिक में यूज़ करते हैं, मींस के जब हम इसको लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बेनिफिट्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, तो ये इससे हम कहेंगे कि यह बायोफिज़िक्स है. Biology and chemistry, biochemistry. Chemistry is a study of matter and its composition. It helps us understand the understand the reaction that happens in different processes in our human body. Chemistry has helped biologists describe metabolic processes that occur in our bodies, such as digestion, breathing, and photosynthesis. Students, do you know the digestion, breathing, and photosynthesis all are the process of related with living organism, related with the plants and animals, and which we have discussed under the head of biology. But in this process chemical reactions occur. That is why it relate with the chemistry. We can say it is a biochemistry. Next is biology and mathematics, means biometry. Biology use mathematical rules to process, analyze, and present experimental research of various phenomena in living organisms. When scientists have researched the things, they analyze their research and present their work in the form of mathematical terms, in the form of by the using of mathematical techniques. Then we can say it is discussed under the head of biometry. Biology and geography, means biography. Biology uses the knowledge obtained in geography to explain the Earth's elements, which are vital when studying the evolution, structure, and origin of our planet. It also strives to explain why different biological processes occur under certain conditions. Geography studied that distribution of different species of organisms in their latitude. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पैरट की बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटी होती है. इसी तरह लाइन जो है वो ज़्यादातर अफ्रीका के जंगलों में पाए जाते हैं. तो ये जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स की एक क्लासिफिकेशन है कि डिफरेंट एरिया में डिफरेंट किस्म के ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, वो यहाँ नहीं रह सकते. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइमेट जो है डिफरेंट एरिया में डिफरेंट किस्म के लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आसानी से रह सकते हैं. तो ये सारा हम जियोग्राफी के अकॉर्डिंगली बायो में डिस्कस करते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई we can relate bio with geography. Bioeconomics. Students, it deals with the study of organisms from economical point of view. As you know that economics deals with the profit and loss, supply and demand. So when we discuss when we study the organisms, the living organism according to the economic point of view, then we will say there is a relation between bio and economics. For example, cost value and profit value of the yield of wheat can be calculated through bioeconomics and benefit and losses can be determined. जैसे कि आप लोग देखेंगे जो फार्मर्स होते हैं वो अपनी क्रॉप्स उन्हें ये अंदाज़ा लगाना पड़ता है कि उनको किस एरिया में कितने वीट की प्रोडक्शन करनी चाहिए, कितनी कॉटन की प्रोडक्शन करनी चाहिए, किस चीज़ में कितना बेनिफिट है, कितना लॉस है. तो ये सारा वो डील करती है बायो इकोनॉमिक्स. We will discuss the relationship of biology with the other sciences with the help of a diagram. Students, as I told you before that photosynthesis and respiration are the biological processes and chemical reactions occur in these processes. That is why we will relate in this process with bio with chemistry. That is why we will discuss it in biochemistry. Geography. As I told you that distribution of the organisms depend on the geographical area of the earth. That is why we will discuss and detail. We will discuss it in the head of biogeography. Physics. What is the relationship between physics and bio? Students, muscles and bones. Our muscles and bones are working on the basis of the principle of physics. The working principle of lever in physics and limbs of the animal in biology relate with each other. Both have the similar principles. Data analysis, mathematics. The relationship between mathematics and biology is when scientists wants to analyze their research and give the proper data to explain their research, they use mathematics. That is why there is a relation between bio and mathematics. Economics deals with the profit and loss, benefits, demands and supplies. So when we discuss the yield of the wheat, yield of the crop, yield of the cotton, then we will discuss it under the head of bioeconomics. Students, you have to make this diagram on your notebook and you will also label this diagram. And students, you have to learn the page number 4 on which the relationship of biology with other sciences will be discussed. You have to learn it properly. Thank you.